Welcome to our comprehensive beginner's guide on how to make money online in 2026. The digital landscape is evolving rapidly, and opportunities for earning income from the comfort of your home have never been more accessible. In this video, we'll walk you through the most effective and beginner-friendly ways to start earning online, even if you have no prior experience. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming for a full-time income, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of online earning together, starting with understanding the basics and setting realistic expectations for your journey ahead. The appeal of making money online is stronger than ever in 2026. Flexibility, global reach, and the ability to work from anywhere are just a few of the key benefits. Online income streams can supplement your main job or even replace it entirely. With the right approach, you can tap into global markets, access a variety of opportunities, and build skills that are valuable in today's digital economy. Let's look at why so many people are turning to online work and how you can benefit from this growing trend. Before you start your online money-making journey, it's important to set realistic goals. Not every method will make you rich overnight, and some require time and effort to see results. Think about what you want to achieve. Is it extra cash, a steady side income, or a full-time career? By setting clear, achievable goals, you'll be able to track your progress and stay motivated. Remember, consistency and patience are key to long-term success in the online world. To get started, you'll need some basic tools: a reliable computer or smartphone, a stable internet connection, and a secure way to receive payments. Many online platforms require you to set up accounts, verify your identity, and sometimes link a payment method like PayPal or a bank account. Make sure your devices are updated and protected with security software. Having these essentials in place will make your online journey smoother and safer. Freelancing remains one of the most popular ways to earn money online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide who need services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. As a beginner, start by creating a strong profile, showcasing your skills, and bidding on small projects to build your reputation. Over time, as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can command higher rates and attract more clients. Remote work has become mainstream in 2026, with many companies offering fully remote or hybrid positions. Job boards like RemoteCo and We Work Remotely list thousands of openings in fields like customer service, tech support, marketing, and administration. These roles often provide stable income and benefits, making them a great option for beginners who want the security of traditional employment while enjoying the perks of working from home. If you have expertise in a subject, online tutoring and teaching can be a rewarding way to earn money. Platforms like VipKid, Preply, and Coursera allow you to teach languages, academic subjects, or specialized skills to students around the world. You can set your own schedule and rates, making this a flexible option for those who enjoy helping others learn. As demand for online education grows, so do the opportunities for tutors and teachers. Blogging is still a powerful way to make money online in 2026. By creating valuable content on topics you're passionate about, you can attract an audience and monetize through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Platforms like WordPress and Medium make it easy to start a blog. Consistency and quality are key. Focus on providing helpful information, and over time, your blog can become a steady source of income. Video content continues to dominate online platforms. Starting a YouTube channel or creating short videos for platforms like TikTok and Instagram can be lucrative. Monetization options include ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Focus on a niche you enjoy, create engaging content, and interact with your audience to grow your channel. With dedication, video creation can become a significant income stream. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income online. By promoting products or services through unique links, you earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Many companies offer affiliate programs, and you can promote products via blogs, social media, or email newsletters. The key is to choose products relevant to your audience and provide honest, helpful recommendations. Dropshipping and e-commerce remain strong options for online entrepreneurs. With dropshipping, you sell products through an online store without holding inventory. Suppliers ship directly to customers. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up your store. Success depends on choosing the right products, effective marketing, and providing excellent customer service. E-commerce can be competitive, but with the right strategy, it's a scalable way to earn online. Print on demand allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without upfront costs. Services like Printful and Teespring handle printing and shipping. You simply create designs and promote your products online. This model is ideal for creative individuals and can be combined with social media marketing to reach a wider audience. It's a low-risk way to start an online business. Digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, and music are in high demand. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort. Platforms such as Gumroad, Udemy, and Etsy make it easy to list and sell digital goods. Focus on solving a problem or providing value to your audience. With the right marketing, digital products can generate passive income for years to come. For those just starting out, online surveys and micro-tasks offer a simple way to earn extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and ClickWorker pay users to complete small tasks such as surveys, data entry, or testing websites. While the earnings are modest, these tasks require little to no experience and can be done in your spare time. It's a great way to get your feet wet in the online earning world. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks may include managing emails, scheduling appointments, or handling social media. Platforms like Belay and Time, etc., connect VAs with clients. This role is ideal for organized individuals with good communication skills. As businesses increasingly operate online, demand for virtual assistants continues to grow. Businesses rely on social media to reach customers, and many hire remote managers to handle their accounts. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, you can offer services such as content creation, scheduling, and engagement. Building a portfolio and staying updated on trends can help you land clients. Social media management is a dynamic field with plenty of opportunities for growth. If you have strong language skills, transcription and translation can be a profitable online job. Transcription involves converting audio or video into written text, while translation requires fluency in multiple languages. Websites like Rev and Django offer platforms for beginners to find work. Accuracy and attention to detail are essential, and as you gain experience, you can take on more complex projects. If you enjoy photography or videography, selling stock images and videos online can be a great source of passive income. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your work and earn royalties each time someone downloads it. Focus on high-quality, in-demand subjects, and build a diverse portfolio to maximize your earnings over time. Podcasting has exploded in popularity, and it's now easier than ever to start your own show. With a clear niche and engaging content, you can attract listeners and monetize through sponsorships, ads, or listener support platforms like Patreon. Consistency and quality are key. Focus on building a loyal audience and exploring different monetization strategies as your podcast grows. Companies pay users to test websites and apps for usability and bugs. Platforms like User Testing and Testbirds connect testers with projects. You'll be asked to complete tasks and provide feedback, helping businesses improve their products. This is a straightforward way to earn money online, especially if you enjoy exploring new technology and providing constructive feedback. Investing online has become more accessible with platforms like Robinhood, eToro, and Coinbase. Beginners can start with small amounts and learn as they go. While investing carries risks, it can also offer significant returns over time. Educate yourself on different asset classes, start with a clear strategy, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Online investing is a long-term approach to building wealth. Cryptocurrency remains a hot topic in 2026. Beyond buying and holding coins, you can earn through staking, yield farming, or participating in decentralized finance, fructify projects. While the potential rewards are high, so are the risks. Always do thorough research and use secure wallets and exchanges. Crypto can be a valuable addition to your online income streams if approached wisely. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have opened new doors for artists and creators. By minting digital art or collectibles as NFTs, you can sell them on marketplaces like OpenSea and Rarible. While the market can be volatile, NFTs offer a unique way to monetize creativity. If you're an artist or designer, explore this space and consider how your work can stand out in the digital marketplace. If you have expertise in a particular field, online coaching and consulting can be highly profitable. Whether it's business, fitness, or personal development, platforms like Clarity, FM, and CoachMe connect you with clients seeking guidance. You can offer one-on-one sessions, group workshops, or digital resources. Building credibility and delivering results are key to growing your coaching business online. Service marketplaces like TaskRabbit and Thumbtack connect freelancers with clients needing everything from graphic design to home repairs. These platforms make it easy to list your skills, set your rates, and find work. As a beginner, focus on building a strong profile and collecting positive reviews to attract more clients. Service marketplaces are a great way to start earning online with skills you already have. Many companies hire remote customer support agents to handle inquiries via chat, email, or phone. These roles often require good communication skills and patience. Platforms like LiveOps and SupportCom offer entry-level positions with training provided. Customer support is a stable way to earn online, especially for those who enjoy helping others solve problems. Data entry jobs are ideal for beginners looking for straightforward online work. Tasks include entering information into databases, updating records, or organizing data. Websites like Clickworker and Microworkers offer a variety of data entry gigs. While the pay may be modest, these jobs require minimal experience and can be done on a flexible schedule. Participating in online focus groups is another way to earn money by sharing your opinions. Companies value consumer feedback and pay participants for their time. Websites like Respondent and User Interviews connect you with studies on various topics. Focus groups typically pay more than surveys and can be a fun way to contribute to product development. If you have a way with words, online writing and editing can be a lucrative field. Opportunities include writing articles, editing content, or creating copy for websites and ads. Platforms like ProBlogger and Cantina connect writers with clients. Building a portfolio and specializing in a niche can help you stand out and command higher rates as you gain experience. Graphic design is in high demand online, with businesses needing logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials. Platforms like 99 Designs and Design Crowd connect designers with clients. Even beginners can start with basic design tools and build a portfolio. As your skills improve, you can take on more complex projects and increase your rates. Voiceover work is a unique way to earn money online, especially if you have a clear and expressive voice. Opportunities include narrating audiobooks, commercials, or explainer videos. Websites like Voicescom and ACX connect voice talent with clients. You'll need a good microphone and a quiet space to record. With practice, you can build a reputation and land higher-paying gigs. Flipping involves buying items at a low price and reselling them for a profit. Online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Mercury make it easy to find deals and reach buyers. Successful flippers research trends, source products wisely, and provide excellent customer service. This method requires some initial investment, but can be very rewarding with the right strategy. If you have expertise in a subject, creating and selling online courses can be highly profitable. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to design, host, and market your courses. Focus on providing clear, actionable content that solves a problem for your audience. With effective marketing, your courses can generate passive income for years. Virtual events are more popular than ever, and online event planners help organize webinars, conferences, and workshops. This role involves coordinating schedules, managing technology, and ensuring smooth execution. Platforms like Eventbrite and Hopin offer tools for hosting and promoting events. If you're organized and detail-oriented, online event planning can be a rewarding career path. Online research jobs involve gathering information, analyzing data, or compiling reports for businesses and academics. Websites like Wonder and Ask Wonder connect researchers with clients. Strong analytical skills and attention to detail are important. These jobs can be project-based or ongoing, providing flexibility and the opportunity to work on a variety of topics. Online moderators help keep communities safe and positive by reviewing content, enforcing rules, and managing discussions. Platforms like Mod Squad and The Social Element hire moderators for forums, social media, and online games. Good communication and conflict resolution skills are essential. Moderation jobs offer flexible hours and can be a great entry point into the online workforce. With globalization, demand for translation services is higher than ever. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer translation services for documents, websites, or videos. Platforms like Translators Cafe and Prozee connect translators with clients worldwide. Specializing in a niche, such as legal or medical translation, can help you command higher rates. If you have a background in finance, online bookkeeping and accounting are in-demand services. Small businesses often outsource these tasks to remote professionals. Platforms like Bench and Bookminders connect bookkeepers with clients. You'll need attention to detail and familiarity with accounting software. This field offers stable, ongoing work for qualified individuals. Legal professionals can offer services online, such as contract review, legal advice, or document preparation. Platforms like UpCounsel and LegalZoom connect lawyers and paralegals with clients. This field requires proper credentials, but it offers flexibility and the ability to reach a wider client base. Online legal services are growing as more people seek convenient, remote solutions. Fitness coaching has moved online, with trainers offering personalized plans, live sessions, and video tutorials. Platforms like Trainerize and MyFitnessPal help coaches connect with clients. If you're passionate about health and fitness, this is a great way to share your knowledge and help others achieve their goals. Building a strong online presence is key to attracting clients. Pet lovers can earn money online by offering services such as virtual pet training, pet sitting coordination, or selling pet products. Platforms like Rover and Wag connect pet owners with service providers. This niche is growing as more people seek convenient solutions for their pets. If you love animals, consider turning your passion into an online business. If you're crafty, selling handmade goods online can be both fun and profitable. Platforms like Etsy and Handmade at Amazon allow you to reach customers worldwide. Focus on creating unique, high-quality products and building a brand. With effective marketing and customer service, your handmade business can thrive in the digital marketplace. Online rental platforms allow you to earn money by renting out assets like rooms, cars, or equipment. Websites like Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama make it easy to list your items and connect with renters. This method requires some initial investment and responsibility, but it can generate significant passive income if managed well. Gaming has become a major online industry, with opportunities to earn through streaming, competitive play, or creating gaming content. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming allow you to build an audience and monetize through ads, donations, and sponsorships. Esports competitions offer prize money for skilled players. If you're passionate about gaming, this could be a fun and profitable path. As you explore ways to make money online in 2026, remember to stay vigilant and protect yourself from scams. Always research platforms before joining, use secure payment methods, and never share sensitive information. Diversify your income streams to reduce risk and increase stability. With the right mindset and persistence, you can build a successful online income that fits your lifestyle. Good luck on your journey.